What are you doing with your life? How come you were late paying the fee?
I wasn't. I don't think so. Like I
Look,
said, I
look,
was not.
look. Let's assume, for the sake of argument, that that's even remotely true.
One more time.
Pardon?
I didn't understand what you said.
Have you attended that?
Um, attended what?
The Victims Impact Panel.
I don't know what that is.
Have you signed up for it?
No, I have.
Young lady, let me tell you something.
I don't have an excuse.
Oh, I know.
Buckle up, folks, because what you're about to witness is less courtroom remorse and more TikTok apology video. This isn't just about being late. On fees, it's a crash course in how not to convince a judge you deserve probation. Let's see how long it takes before the excuses start rolling in.
I mean, the sheer delusion in this courtroom is almost artistic. Let me know in the comments if you think we should go harder on young people who repeatedly disobey the courts, or if they just don't understand the law yet. Let's dive in and watch.
Your Honor, to my understanding, she is not here yet today. I have been in contact with her. She did text me this morning saying she was running late and would probably be here around 9:30. For the record, I would respectfully request the court to consider either passing the matter or for an adjournment.
Why is she late?
She did not provide an explanation, but she did text me at 8:33 saying she was late and would probably be here at 9.
Pass the matter.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you for passing this matter, Your Honor. Today is the date and time set for both sentencing and a bond violation hearing in this matter. As to the bond violation, Ms. Wilson will be pleading no contest.
How old are you?
I'm 22.
What's your highest level of education?
High school and I'm starting college.
When? Pardon?
July 8th, my first day
Where?
at PSI. It's a nursing school.
Are you living on your own now? Pardon?
Yes,
Where?
I live in Taylor.
So you moved?
Yes,
Why?
4 months ago.
Why?
Because I moved out of my mom's house.
I'm unclear, quite frankly, after reading all of this. I'm not. Are you living by yourself?
Well, my son lives with me. 2.5.
Pardon?
He's 2.5.
Did you pay Bonsworth already?
Yes.
I have concerns about this individual being, quite frankly, able to move this report, whether she would be an adequate candidate for probation. But if you want to proceed with sentencing, we can.
Ms. Wilson is asking the court to not remand her at this time. As she has already told the court, she is starting nursing school on July 8th at PSI. Further, she does have a 2-year-old son whom she provides for. She currently is gainfully employed as a CNA, and she is anxious that 10 days in custody would both cause her to lose her employment or derail her potentially starting school on the 8th. Otherwise, we are asking the court to adopt probation's recommendation with the consideration of not imposing the additional 10-day jail time.
And what are you going to do if I do impose the 10 days? Ma'am, that was a question.
Me,
Yes?
I would just probably lose everything.
What are you doing with your life, young lady?
Right now, I work and I'm a mom and I'm a soon-to-be nurse.
You have proof of the nursing school attendance?
Yes, I did get approved.
Pardon?
I did get approved.
No, do you have proof of that?
I can show you an email of my schedule.
I think you need to come up with some reason why I shouldn't just send you to jail. Because I quite frankly don't think that you're a good candidate for probation. You weren't able to make it through the pre-sentence portion of this.
What does that mean?
Your bond violations.
This brat cannot be serious right now. Like, how do you sit in front of a judge and that confused when he says you couldn't even follow bond rules before sentencing? I mean, it's literally before sentencing, too. I mean, that was literally the warm-up, and you already face-planted. I mean, she consistently showed up late, ignored the court's instructions, and now you're back asking for probation like it's a favor. You don't get brownie points for putting out a fire you started. I mean, the only reason this girl's acting polite now is because the gavel's about to drop. Do you guys think she's just immature here, or is this the kind of person who learns nothing until they're actually behind bars?
Yes, I would like to say something about that. I've had to get 3
You want to get 3 what?
Um, I don't, I guess that would be irrelevant.
What?
I guess that would be irrelevant, so I won't say that, but
What would be irrelevant?
I just feel like it's something with the tether because I've had to get it replaced 3 times for an upgrade, and then it says that I violate. And I'm just really confused on that. And I know that the lady at Community Corrections has put stuff in my chart because I even offered to take a lie detector test to prove that I did not violate
Then why didn't you go through a hearing?
because I was told that I can't take a lie detector test.
Let's tell you the picture I have. I have a person who's violated. You pled no contest to any of those violations. Now you're telling me that. I have an individual who I'm not sure exactly what you're doing with your life, but who also, on the date of this incident, was extremely uncooperative while you were at the hospital. Your parents know about this?
Yes,
What do they say about it?
my mom, it's mainly my mom that has something to say. I mean,
What?
it's mainly my mom that had something to say. She
And what was that?
disappointed, but she knows that I made a mistake and I will never do that again. And
That's all that she said?
well, a lot more than that, but I don't really remember everything off the top of my head.
Why do I get the sense that if I put you on probation, that what's going to end up happening is I'm ultimately going to end up throwing you in jail?
Um, I don't think that that will happen. I've never been on probation, but I'm willing to do anything to go to jail because I have a kid, I work full time, and I'm about to start school. My focus is not to be in jail or to do anything to end up in jail.
Here's also part of the problem, because are you telling me that throughout all of your plea, well, the pre-trial portion of this, that all of these violations were because something was wrong with the machine?
Well, I was on a whole, I don't remember what it's called in the beginning before.
Sober link.
Yeah, the sober link before I got the tether. If I'm being honest, I didn't take that serious, but when I violated and then got sentenced to jail, I knew I did not want to make that same mistake again, and I have not. That's why.
So what tells me now that you're going to take any sentence I impose seriously? I mean, that's my problem, young lady. My problem is I see you out there drifting. You go about pick up this charge. You're at the hospital. You've been drinking. You're at the hospital. You're absolutely uncooperative at the hospital.
I wasn't uncooperative. I just didn't want the IP. And yeah, I understand that.
The way she carries herself, I mean, it's just clear she has no idea how badly she's coming across right now. The judge is literally holding back. I mean, you can see it in his face. He's one sentence away from snapping right now. I mean, this girl is literally talking like none of this is serious. Like she's explaining a mix-up at school, not trying to avoid jail time. And instead of owning anything right now, she just keeps pointing fingers. Like that's ever helped anybody in a situation like this. I mean, at some point, you either take responsibility or you don't, and she clearly has not right now. And I personally think it's not about being young in this situation. It's about never being taught to handle consequences. I mean, do you guys even think she realizes how close she is to throwing her entire future away right now?
They ask you for consent to draw blood, right?
Yes.
What happened from your perspective?
Well, when they said something about drawing the blood, I never refused it. I just wanted to sit up. And the officer stated that I couldn't sit up, so I was refusing. And then they ended up sitting me up to take the blood. So I
And at that point, you didn't think this was serious?
I did. I mean, I knew it was serious from my accident.
So then you get arraigned and you get put on a sober line.
Yes.
Tells you what to do. You don't follow through on the sober line, right?
Correct. I was very irresponsible with the sober link.
Mm-hmm.
When I did the 5 days, I in jail. I knew I did not want to go back there, and I did not want to violate. That's why I was saying I want to.
But why from the beginning didn't you take it seriously?
I feel like with my other lawyer, I didn't understand that it was a part of the bond. I've never had anything like this go on before. And I feel like there was a lot of miscommunication between me and my other lawyer.
You remember what you said to me about that tether and about the scram, that it was an inconvenience.
Unfortunately, yes, I do. And I apologize for that. That was really out of character.
So with all of that, what makes me think you're actually going to be able